Hey, welcome again. So basically in this video actually I'm going to discuss about the collaboration request in Shopify. So basically what is a collaboration request is basically whenever you are going to work with some international client or some international Shopify store, or whenever you are going to manage some stores in Shopify, so sometimes you manage the collaboration request to access the client's store. So basically whenever there are some clients actually you'll get who is not willing to give their a staff account to you. Maybe there are some reason. For example, sometimes a staff account has some limits. They cannot give a staff account more than 2% or 3%. So there are some store actually they have more than 2 owner or 3 owners. So everyone is managing their store with a staff account. Or sometimes a lot of people or a lot of freelancer are working on the same store that you are working that you are going to work in, right? So in this case actually your client is going to give you collaboration request. So how what is collaboration request, how it works, I'm going to discuss all of the thing in this video. So basically as you know that actually first of all we need a account in Shopify. So in this case I'm going to create a Shopify store again. As you know that this is super easy. We need temp mail. So the store actually that we are creating right now, yeah, it's on behalf of a client. For example, I am the client right now and this is my store. So you are going to access my store with a collaboration request. So how it's gonna work? Let's see. Okay, I'm going to give a domain name like blah blah blah. Okay, so this is going to be my store name blah 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 dot myshopify.com. So as you can see actually I have got an email from temporary email that we are going to use for our store. Oh sorry, this is not. This is the email and I'm going to give a password here. This is going to be like Mumbai 00. Oh, by the way, actually there is YouTube channel me, so I have some planning to add some English tutorials as well here, so you can get a subscribe here to get some more videos. Okay, so one more thing actually, this YouTube channel is based on Bangladesh, as I'm from Bangladesh, but I'm planning something to create some create some videos in English so that every single people from around the world can watch my video and learn from me. Okay, so coming back, I'm going to take this email. Yeah, it has been taken already, and I'm going to give a password here, Arman by 00. Okay, I'm going to give this password here and I'm going to create the store. Okay, this is super easy as we have created a lot of time, right, while we are practicing. So it may take a bit time, but don't worry about it. I'm not going to save this store. Okay, as you can see actually we have got a Shopify store. So this is right now I'm the client and I want to hire you for my store to add something, to make some changes in my store, or to create my store, right? So it can be anything. So if I want to add you as a collaborator in my account, you need an account on Shopify partner. Okay, so just simply Google Shopify partner and go to Shopify partner and create an account here. Okay, so basically I have an account here, so I'm going to log in here. So when you create a Shopify partner account, this is super easy. Just give in an email and next finish, as we create Shopify partner store. So creating a Shopify partner is really easy. If you still don't have any question, or if you still have any confusion creating Shopify partner account, just let me know. I will try to help you out with this. Okay. So and one thing to say actually, as we have a Discord community, I will request you to post any kinds of question that you are facing in our Discord community. So when you come here, you will have to click on the store. Basically you'll have nothing here, but I have some store, so you'll have nothing here, you'll have a blank page here. Okay, so whatever you have to do is you have to click on add a store. Okay, add a store, and then you will have to click on manage the store and a store URL, right? So you'll have to take the where you will get the store URL. So as the owner is right now me, I'm going to give you the a store URL. So you're going to ask your client that actually please send me your store URL so that I can send you the collaboration request. Okay, so this is super easy. I'm going to take the store URL from here that you will get from your client. Right now I'm your client, so I'm going to give you the a store URL. I'm saying again, you'll have to take this from your client who is going to give you the collaboration access. Okay, so you have some option here. Basically as you are going to work, as you are going to discuss with your client, actually what are you going to do. If for example if you are going to work with products, that means you need access on products, so you'll have to click on the products. So and if you need something like access on dashboard, you can click on the dashboard. And if you are going to create the website from scratch to all, then you can click on the theme, blog and pages, navigation, domain. So you need all these kinds of access here. For example, if you are working as a virtual assistant, so you may need access on the orders, as you are going to fulfill all the orders for your client, right? So in this case you can click on the order. Okay, so I have click all of this as I need this. So you can write something here, or you can skip it, doesn't matter. So you can hide here. Here's the thing that I need access on. Okay, you can write something like this. So I'm going to save this. Okay, this is done. That means you have sent to me a collaboration request as a freelancer or as a manager, as anything, right? So in this case, now I'm going to give you the access on my Shopify store, right? As you have sent me a request by my website link. So whenever I come on my email, as I am the client, I will have to check on my email. So you have to say something like, please check your email, I have sent you a collaboration request, you should grant me access right now. Okay, so I'm going to click here, and I'm going to view the request that you sent me. As I can see, you have asked the access from orders, domain, products, this kinds of thing. For example, as I'm a client, I don't want you to give the access on domain, as I think actually you don't need it, or I don't want to give you the access on the order right now, as you don't need it right now. So whatever you select, your client can change it. Okay, so as I'm changing it right now, and I'm going to, for example, I have rejected to access that is on orders and domain. Okay, and I'm going to accept request. Okay, whenever I accept the request, now you can access my store as a collaborator from your Shopify partner account. Okay, in our previous video actually we have discussed about a step account. That is also a good way to access client store. So this is another way. Okay, so when I come here, now if I go to my Shopify partner account, this is my store, and this is the Shopify partner account that I am managing as a freelancer. Okay, so I'm going to reload here. As you can see, the shop blah blah blah, right now I have the collaborator access, right? And then if I click on login, you can see that I can simply can log into the store. So this is how actually you can log in a client store as a by a collaboration request. This is super easy. If you still have any question, if you still have any confusion, don't forget to let me know about your confusion and question. I will try to help you out with this. Thank you.